It looks so good. I'm so excited. It looks so good. Ozark Overland Adventures is proudly supported by the More Expo, the Midwest's only indoor event for adventure travel enthusiasts. Artemis Overland Hardware. They have the passion and knowledge to ensure that your next outdoor experience is more than a camping trip, it's an adventure. And the Big Iron Overland Rally, a 3-day weekend campout and concert experience at the Big Brutus Historic Landmark. What's up, everyone? This is Matt with Ozark Overland Adventures. And this is Ben. Y'all know Ben. Or at least if you don't know Ben, go watch older videos. Because we can count on him to always make good content for us.
I moved away for a while.
He went to college in Mobile. But anyway, he's back to help with this. And he's got his own little YouTube channel now called Switchback Off-Road. So go check it out. And a lot of it's like his perspective from our trips. So go check it out. But anyway, today is a big day because we get to start installing this. Yes. Which is a rock crawler 3-inch X Factor lift for the Gladiator. And I chose the X Factor because it includes all 8 control arms. And with the wheelbase on this thing, I want this to be as flexy as possible so that I don't get hung up in some places.
Soft shackle shame.
I don't want the soft shackle shame. I will probably get more soft shackle shames in this thing just because of the wheelbase. But I'm really hoping that the lift and the tires that I've got coming in maybe tomorrow, that combination will kind of equalize the Gladiator compared to what I'm used to with the 2.5-inch and 35s on my JK. So we'll see. That will be put to the test this weekend. But I'm glad you're here to help. Let's do it. Let's do it. Start with some measurements here, just to know where we've actually gone. So this line is 40.5 inches. Do it next to that one, and we'll say 41 1/8. These lugs are so much bigger than the JKs. Aren't these shock mounts light years better than the JKs? I hated the JK shock mounts.
That is a very light shock though.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh dang, that is lightweight. Sure is pretty though. Aha. There we go. Now for the track bar. Is it lining anywhere?
Nope.
How's the spring looking?
Springs, I can pull it out easy.
Yep, this one's done. Let's see. Old? New. Off a little bit. Okay. Oh, there we go. Got it. This way. There we go.
Not in the thing on the top's not in the whole thing. Yeah.
Bingo, got it. Alright, seated. That's almost there. $20 9/16. Perfect. There we go. That Ozark fitting is down, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Man, I'm really good at that. Heck yeah. Yeah, that's another. So now that y'all don't have to pay for school, what I'm hearing is y'all can help pay for some access.
Good try, man. All right, here we go. On your mark, get set, go.
Oh,
No, botched it. Nope. You want that screwdriver now, don't you? Let's see where we are. 34. Verify one more time. Good. Good, good, good. Put that on me. There we go. Voila. Go ahead and undo lower the axle a bit. And let's, all right, stop it. Go check those parts over there for binding. All right, drop it, drop it.
Golly.
Boom.
It looks so good.
That's a little taller than it was before. Yeah. I love it.
It looks so good.
Oh, we got the squat now.
California.
The California squat. Sorry to any people from California that watch my videos and might possibly get offended because, you know, California. Oh yeah. I love it. Quick check, we were at 40.5. Now we are at just under 45. So 4.5 inches of lift off out of the gate with a 3-inch lift. Of course, that's going to settle. Let's check the springs. Springs look straight and good. Yeah, it's going to settle, so it's not going to stay at 4.5 inches of lift, but it's going to look sweet with the tires. Brown Santa just came. He brought our new fridge for the Gladiator. Thanks, Brown Santa. And thank you, Iceco. All right, go. Let's go. No, almost. Oh, that sucks. I was so close. Oh, there we go.
Yes.
Yay. Dimples in everything.
Yeah.
Yay. Good.
Brake line survived.
Lord Almighty.
Took all she had in it.
Holy crap. Barely. Well, that was fun. Now we just got to do the other side. Doesn't this all line up in the factory holes?
It does, but like there's a piece that goes flush with here.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure it has to be drilled.
I should probably go read the instructions on that.
Maybe. Just a little 3/8 hole, looks like.
Ready? Good.
Can you face one of those grease joints up? This rear side's easier to grease if it's facing up.
No.
Can you just turn one side?
No.
Then I'll
Why not?
get it out of alignment.
Do the same for the other side.
Then I have to rotate the whole thing. I don't want, that's fine. I mean, this is easy. There's enough space in between them.
Oh.
It's good. Oop, bingo. Hey, good job. You did it.
They're huge.
Push the axle back towards me just a hair. That is disturbing. Let's see. Oh.
Keep going. You need to hammer a little more on this end anyway.
Well, look at this. All right, pull the axle towards you just a touch. There we go. Come on. Come on. There we go.
There. Ooh, yeah, that's close. Boom.
Oh, that was a lot easier than the other side.
It's done.
What else we got to do?
Tires,
That's it?
I think.
There, let's see. We tighten the shocks. We tighten the control arms.
Sway bars.
Tighten the sway bars. Did we
Track
torque
bar.
the track bar? Did we torque the track bar?
It looks torqued.
It looks torqued. You checking it with your fingers and you say it looks torqued. Yeah, we torqued it. I remember.
Hey.
Breather hose is back on.
This is all tight.
Check. Did you get the brakes back on over there?
Yeah. Well, not on your side.
Huh?
Not on your side, but my side.
I got my side. I asked if you got your side.
I think we're ready.
All right.
For tires.
All right, look at that. So pretty. Look at those beautiful things.
It's temporary. Temporary pretty.
Let's hope it sits under its own weight and doesn't fall apart. That looks better already.
I mean, even with 33s.
Even with 33s, it doesn't look bad. Let's measure the rear. We got 4.5 inches up front. Let's see what we got in the back. We are at 44.5. So definitely level the front. We got basically 3.5 in the rear, 4.5 in the front. Perfect. What do you think, Ben?
It's awesome. But I'm still not trading mine. Not.
Yeah,
It's so pretty.
that looks good. We are done with the lift. We're taking it for a test drive, and everything feels great.
Really good.
The steering wheel needs a slightly off center adjustment, but it feels tight. There's no pull. I'm not even feeling any caster issues as far as wandering or anything like that. So
It's pretty impressive.
it's dialed in.
It's really impressive.
It is awesome. So next, tires. Coming soon. Like in just a minute.
Big tires.
All right, the lift is on, and I honestly think it looks pretty darn good even with the 33s, but we're not sticking with 33s, and we are on our way to Discount Tire right now. How do you think the lift rides?
Ride's really good.
I am
Really like it.
crazy impressed with it.
It's definitely not as wobbly and like loose.
No, not as, are you saying as like compared to Knuckles?
Yes.
Oh. Well, no, definitely not.
I feel like they're riding on
No,
swamp.
that's true. But big thanks to Ben for helping get that lift on today. And it looks amazing. But now it's time for tires. It looks like they can even get us in. I don't know which way to go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that looks incredible. Wow.
It looks so good. I'm so excited. It looks so good.
I absolutely love Discount Tire. Their prices are good, but their customer service is unreal. Like, this is the only tire place I've ever been to that actually uses a torque wrench to put your tires on correctly. I have been to so many places that just use the air ratchet and they over torque them, and I've actually had lug nuts fall off my Jeep before because of tire places that don't do it right. And Discount Tire does it right, and I freaking love them. These guys are awesome. Look at that. That's so incredible. All right, it's our first time driving it. Letting Kara drive it first.
It feels so tall.
It's so awesome. We have 37-inch tires.
It's huge. It's a tank.
It's awesome. Now I got to plug the taser in and reprogram.
Yeah, look in the back.
All that stuff.
All the tires are in the back and the wheels.
Fun fact. I had heard that a 37 will fit in the spare tire location under the truck bed.
Maury has determined that that was a lie.
But maybe those are smaller 37s that worked. But Milestars do not. At least not at, they first tried 40 PSI. I told them to drop it down to 30 PSI.
Drop it down.
And 30 PSI, because it rubs between the receiver hitch and the track bar, and that is definitely no good. So I'm going to probably try to drop it down to 20 PSI, maybe even 10, maybe just run it flat. I don't know, to see if it'll fit under there.
I mean, we'll have an air compressor to fill it up.
Yeah, I mean, we'll have an air compressor. We can fill it up when we need to, but we'll see. And if not, we have a plan B that will be discussed later. So, but we do have a plan B if that doesn't work. But we're not just going to run it in the bed. I mean, we may for now, but long term, no. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this. I hope you are enjoying this build process. We've still got more to do to this, so it's not remotely finished yet. But we are having a blast in the new Gladiator. Let me know in the comments what you think. Are you liking what we're doing? Do you like the direction this is heading? What do you think about this compared to Knuckles? I know some of my own family is on the fence. So anyway, if you would like, subscribe, all the YouTube love, and we'll see you next time. Bye.